Welcome. My name is Cathie Adams. I'm the office manager at Cedar Park Pediatric and Family Medicine. We're happy you joined us today. We're going to have a virtual meet and greet, and that is designed to give you a little insight into our clinic, to meet our providers, to meet all of our doctors, and to get to know us a little bit better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you on a little tour of our clinic. So right now we're at our Ronald Reagan Clinic, and we actually have two clinics in Cedar Park, and we've been in the Cedar Park area for about 15 years now. So come on back and join me. All right. So our first stop here is going to be our lactation room. And if you're a mom that wants to breastfeed, we really want to provide you with additional resources and services to help you with that. And our lactation room is one of those. We offer lactation consults with a lactation educator on every week for new parents. And we also have breastfeeding support groups for our expecting parents and for our moms that decide to breastfeed. So come on now. As I mentioned, we do family medicine and we do pediatrics. And I also want to show you a few of the other things that we have here in the clinic. One of them that's good to know is we do procedures, and we have an on-site lab and phlebotomist to keep you staying here in the clinic as much as possible. We really don't want to send you to an emergency room or urgent care if we don't have to. So one of the things that we have here to do that is our procedure room, which I just want to briefly show you. Our goal is to really keep you out of the emergency room or urgent care, like I said. So our goal here is to do things like any kind of minor procedures, things like maybe stitches or casting. We do some derm kind of mole removals, things like that. All right, we are gonna come right out. I'm gonna walk you through to our in-house lab that we have, and we have a phlebotomist here every day from an outside lab that helps us out with that. This is our lab. All right, and then we're gonna finish off here. I wanna show you what so this is our pediatric hall. This is where we come when you're at our Ronald Reagan Clinic and you're bringing your cute little baby boy or girl in here. This is one of our exam rooms, and this is where you would end up. Kind of like I mentioned, we do adults and pediatrics here. So both of our clinics are divided into separate areas. So this whole hall is the pediatric hall, and then we have one around the corner that is all for adults. So like I said, we do see both. They're a little separate because we do have separate. We have pediatricians for our kiddos, and we have family medicine providers for our adults, and you're gonna meet one in just a minute. So one of the things that we do at Cedar Park PD and Family Medicine is we see moms and dads as well as we see kids. So I'm here with Jiz Jordan. She's one of our PAs, and we're at the Ronald Reagan Clinic today. So Jiz, tell our parents exactly what you do in family medicine for them.
So we do a lot of chronic things like manage blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes. We do wellness checks where you need to come in fasting so we can look at your blood pressure, your weight, your blood sugars, cholesterol, just to make sure everything's stable. We do mammogram screenings, we do cervical cancer screenings. So we do a whole bunch of stuff, and you can do it on the same day that your baby gets seen. If you're feeling sick, we have telemedicine appointments, but we also can see you here in the office if you feel comfortable coming in right now, and we will see you on the same day. We are always eager to say yes to make sure we're addressing your concerns.
Great, thank you, Jiz. Yeah, that's one of the benefits here is, you know, especially when your kids are sick and mom and dad might not be feeling good, or if you just want to make one trip to the doctor's office, you can do that here. We can see mom and dad the same day, and we can see baby, toddler, child the same day too. So if you have any questions about our family medicine, please let us know. We're happy to answer.
Thank you.
So I'd like to finish up and tell you a little bit about what is the next step. One of the things we get a lot of questions on from parents is, do you take our insurance? So we do take insurance plans from all the major insurance companies. What we recommend at our clinic is to contact your insurance carrier or your HR department and make sure we're in network with your plan, and also to visit our website, cedarparkdoctors.com, and we have a whole list of all the different insurance plans that we take, and you can look on there and get your questions answered there, all about those insurances. The other thing that we always will tell you when you're coming into our to visit us is that you want to get your new baby added to your insurance plan within that first 30 days. That's a really important thing to do that within that 30 days so you don't have to wait till open enrollment after that. And contact your insurance to make sure and do that. Your HR department will help you with that. If you have any other questions, check us out on our website, as I mentioned, cedarparkdoctors.com. Check us out on Facebook. We're always posting, keeping current on things that are happening for families and for babies on there also. Or you can certainly call our office at 336-2777. Again, my name's Cathie. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. Thank you.